Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about the past continuous. The following sentences are in the present continuous. Let's conjugate them in the past continuous. I am reading a book now. I was reading a book yesterday. They are studying English now. They were studying English yesterday. The past continuous is used to describe a long action that happened in the past. This is its form: was or were plus verb plus ing. You were watching TV. The negative form of this sentence would be you were not watching TV, and the interrogative form would be were you watching TV? We often use it with the past simple. It comes after the time indicator when. I was reading a book when my mom came. Which one is the long action and which one is the short action? I was reading a book is the long action, and when my mom came is the short action. For short answers, we keep the pronoun and the verb to be in the past simple. Were you eating when I came back? Yes, I was. Or, no, I wasn't. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!